Wow, Tony, that was a very nice shot. Can I ask you what target you're going for?
The white flag,
And how far is the white flag?
about 150.
All right, and what club do you normally hit 150 yards?
My 8-iron.
Is that what you're hitting right now?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you notice that we are into a very stiff wind?
Yes.
And you're trying to reach your 8-iron there?
Yeah, I'm swinging harder, obviously, and trying to flight it low.
Okay, technically that's not incorrect if you're able to achieve those results, but I'm sure you've heard the term of clubbing up.
Sure.
Okay. Well, I'm going to actually show you something that's a little bit different. You're going to actually club up twice to a 6-iron. I know you're probably thinking that a 6-iron may be a little too long for this shot, but I'm going to show you something that's called a pitch swing, where you're not only able to reach the 150 yard with your 6-iron, but flight it down as well, where you're going to have a piercing trajectory into the breeze, okay, and the ball will be less susceptible in the wind. Does it sound like a plan?
Sounds good to me.
All right, let me show you one. All right.
Sure.
So before I do this, all right, what a pitch swing is, basically you're going to take a short takeaway to abbreviated follow through with acceleration. Okay. So my 6-iron, well, how far does your 6-iron usually go?
180.
180. All right. So I'm going to take an abbreviated follow through. All right. I mean a short takeaway to abbreviated follow through with acceleration and go 150 yards with a piercing trajectory here. All right. First, all I'm going to do is I'm going to visualize my shot. Okay. Take my practice swing, step up, and execute. What you think of that?
Pretty great.
Okay, so you saw the ball actually go lower?
Much lower, sure.
All right. Well, let me tell you something that's also very important with this type of shot. All right. Have you ever had awkward yardages with your wedges into the greens?
Sure.
How far you usually hit your lob wedge?
About 80.
Okay, 80 yards, fairly well. What do you do when you have a 60-yard shot or a 50-yard shot?
It's an awkward distance for me.
All right. Well, what would you do if I told you if you practice on this short takeaway abbreviated follow through pitch swing, that you will be able to dial in those yardages with your one wedge and be able to have probably a better chance at birdies?
Sounds good.
Okay. Well, what I want you to do, okay, is let's see you do one. All right. So I'm going to give you your 6-iron, take away your 8-iron. I want you to step back, visualize the shot, take a practice swing, short takeaway to abbreviated finish with acceleration, and hit that target. Great shot.